Greetings, Biafrans. Greetings, lovers of freedom. Greetings, everyone. Please, I will not take much time in this video. I want just pass a very small message, and this message is very simple and it's an open challenge because I know they make mouth for nothing. I know they talk with I know if you do. Yesterday, someone sent me one of my old videos where I was defending Gumi of Idu, the ectoparasite. And Nwada Raphael Chiamaka was analyzing the video, ironically telling me, Ezioku Bundu. Let me tell you, I am MAP Ezioku Bundu. I don't deny my words, and I am not afraid for you to play my word. I claim responsible for every video I made from day one. That is why when the autopilot advised me to delete all my previous videos, I said no. What for? I can't delete it. I cannot delete it. So I want you people to send this video to Raphael Chiamaka Ajaere, Nwada Ajaere, because to be honest, I don't see him as a man. I see him as a woman. But if he think that he is a man, if he, Nwada Raphael Chiamaka Ajaere, is a man, tell him that I ask him to call me for a debate. A debate, just a debate, question and answer. Let him find any moderator of his choice to moderate the debate. Let us have one-on-one question and answer concerning all the activities on IPOB and who are the people in the right track, and all my previous broadcasts. He can go and bring all of them. I cannot deny one single of my broadcast, but I can guarantee you, if Raphael lasts for 1 hour, if he can be able to answer 5 questions I will ask him, I will drop Biafra agitation. What did I say? If Raphael Chiamaka will be able to answer 5 questions from me, I will drop Biafra agitation. When Gumi of Idu fix a seat at home, I say if the Biafran sit at home, I will drop Biafra agitation. Up to today, why nobody is talking about it? So, and I will upload one of his video. I will upload one of his video later, so that he can also help me to analyze that particular video where he was. Raphael said that their group is called the Autopilot Truth Bearers. And when you hear truth, we know the people that are saying the truth. Omo MAP Ezioku Bundu, 1 in Biafra land. We are not 2. And believe you me, Raphael have crossed the boundary, and that will be the end of him. MAP will be the end of Raphael Chiamaka Ajaere, Nwada Chalugo, Queen of Woto, greetings from here. I will end his career. It's a promise. I see him lamenting that he have never taken anyone. No, let him make. I want him to be popular so that people will see who is talking. Because in that very area, we will start from 2019 till date. When you come for a debate, you don't come a debate of a 2020 in IPOB. You will come from 2019. That is when you will know that you ask Odin Kemma when he came to debate. He shamelessly fooled himself, and I abandoned him. So I want Raphael, if he is a man or he has some qualities to contend with MAP Ezioku Bundu, let him call for a debate with a moderator of his choice on the platform of his choice. Let me and him have one-on-one debate. If after that debate, if him wife no divorce am, although the woman no go fit divorce am because na old woman. Or this one. Why one thing I find out where Raphael is, he said that he can never go personal in this Biafra restoration. Yes, because he's not a freedom fighter. If he Nwada Chiamaka is a strong person, he will put his life along this Biafra freedom. He will go personal with any idiot, any ectoparasite that will ever come against this Biafra restoration. Those that put their life, he is not better than them. And I want people to know one thing. Raphael Chiamaka Ajaere, what is affecting him is the woman he put in the house. The woman is far older than him. And you know, when you married your grandmother and the grandmother is putting expired sperm, old sperm in your body, that once you are having a sex with old woman, that old age will be entering you, and you will be behaving like old women or old person who has a, when people become old, they will be having a small children's brain. They will start behaving like a kid. So when you see Raphael behaving like a kid, know that the old woman that put him, because he's not the one that put the woman in the house. The thing is affecting him. And like I said, I need an open challenge with him on open debate. If he is a man, or last there 1 hour after that debate, in wife we order him never to come on social media again. Somebody who is not paying IPOB monthly dues when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is with us. Somebody who cannot advise old woman that he put in his own house is advising Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife. Somebody who cannot question the woman that is feeding him in the house. Go and check every person that is defending all this autopilot. Go and check them. None of them married wife and put inside house. He said that the woman married them or they are single. They have divorced from their oga patapata of them all. Let me tell you, many of you don't know that this Biafra of 18 we are talking is our own life. Once you are in Biafra, you are fighting IPOB. You know that you are fighting people's life. So for you to fight against IPOB leadership, somebody he wrote to me that I insulted his father. Why won't I? I did not insult his father. His father is the one that insulted his father by behaving like a fool. And I told him that his father gave birth to a fool. Chigozeribe, greetings from here. I told him that his father gave birth to a fool, because his father did not give birth to a fool. He will be representing his father in a right way. Another simple challenge, open challenge. If he think he has something in him, that he has brain, let him, because I go through his comment yesterday and I come across somebody who wrote to him. I've forgotten the name, something Biafra something. Ask him to bring Maza Chebe in this program. And he responded, no, he will not. I hold my number. He could have bring me, because that video he was analyzing, the only place they are afraid to analyze in that particular video is that when I say, after you settle the family, then you look into deep to know who is the bed bug and fetch the bed bug out. Why didn't he analyze that? They cannot. Every of my video is bombshell. Every of my video is a bombshell. So tell him, send him this video. Tell him that I openly challenge him. I openly challenge him for an open debate. If not, then I will deal with him in my own way. Kamalona Biafra issue, I take it personal because my life is along that is ndum dinimie. I don't need a respect of an ectoparasite. How will I be requesting a respect from ectoparasite? I don't need a respect. Some people, I see them crying. You come illiterate, at the same time you are crying for illiterate to come and join you. Are you people recruiting illiterate? You come as Achebe illiterate, yet you are crying and begging me. Both my WhatsApp, my page, everywhere you are begging. Join Gumi. Are you people recruiting illiterate? That is a simple question. If you people are not recruiting illiterate, why are you begging me? Or am I no longer illiterate? Okay, if I join you now, I'm not going to become illiterate again. Hey, and omwa, nyonyo ọbụla woto. Make a share for an answer, open challenge, question and answer. Nyacho any moderator of his choice. Kamuni one-on-one, question and answer. Can disgrace Yenya his own platform. He need the homie poverty on my platform because he is not worthy to be on my platform. Opeka is an adult children. He is an adult children. And let me tell Umugumi ectoparasite. I know since day before yesterday I made that a bombshell. The final burial of Gumi and his ectoparasite. I know many of you, none of you, all of you never remain the same. But guess what? I am cooking for all of you. And when it will done, Mbogeye, nsav unu ga-anụ ụdị ya. Unu ga-anụ ụdị ya ọfụma. It's only a fool will be expecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Once he comes out, he will now have a round table with a ectoparasite. Ask Chiamaka, Anwada Chiamaka, ask Sister Chiamaka Ajaere, what have he contributed in the restoration of Biafra? Go and check all of them from A to Z that is talking rubbish. None of them have family. None of them live with their wife. The ones that live with their Gumi of you to marry grandmother. Raphael Chiamaka marry his grandmother. Na choyali faith ogala ebe ọ ga-afanye amụ. Mgbe ọbụla ọ na-achọ faith ogala ebe ọ ga-afanye amụ. Monthly dues ọ da agba. Then on dị na-abịa ihe dị onwere ike inye nwe onwe ka ngwa in case normal. Biafra restoration means our life. And once you go against IPOB, we will take it personal. I myself will take it personal. And when I take it personal, IPOB, in order, every country should take care of their infiltrator. Because I will just gladly take care of him. I'll just gladly take care of him. Because why all of them? Take is a personal now. You are sabotaging people and people's brothers and sisters are dying. You take because of a woman is feeding you in Italy. You are talking anyhow, talking rubbish. I will play this voice for him because I sent the video yesterday to him. Let me play this voice and I will post this video. In case many of you, I seen yesterday they analyze me. I just they laugh. Watch.
Now the question is, between Simon Ekpa
How will
and the leadership of IPOB, the DOS,
how will I put this in now?
Or who can be described as a career freedom fighter? The DOS
Let's
has
know.
no monetized page. The DOS does not broadcast on YouTube where they are being paid. The DOS has no private accounts that they have scammed or cloned for people to pay in ESM funds. Between Simon Ekpa and the DOS, who are the career freedom fighters. Those of you that cannot ask questions, you will continue to be scammed. Simon Ekpa is a scammer 101. I'll be dropping it as it comes.
True to bearer. Now, in case many of you will be asking me, why do you leave Simon? Why do you leave Simon? The answer is what Raphael is answering here. Raphael, tell them why Mazachebe leave Simon. Tell them again. He called them Nderi.
Now the question is, between Simon Ekpa and the leadership of IPOB, the DOS, who is or who can be described as a career freedom fighter? The DOS has no monetized page. The DOS does not have membership page. The DOS does not broadcast on YouTube where they are being paid. The DOS has no private accounts that they have scammed or cloned for people to pay in ESM funds. Between Simon Ekpa and the DOS, who are the career freedom fighters. Those of you that cannot ask questions, you will continue to be scammed. Simon Ekpa is a scammer 101. I'll be dropping it as it comes.
Hey, Mada, Sister Raphael, Sister Chiamaka. You know, like they say, always say, he that live in a glass house should not throw stone. Now, I believe you have seen the reason why I left Simon, because according to the Truth Bearer autopilot, he said that Simon Ekpa is a scam, that the place they are putting their ESN money, the money they are raising in the name of ESN, is a private account cloned by Simon Ekpa, and Simon is a career agitator. And he is also a scammer 101. And they want me, Ezioku Bundu, to continue with such person. Hi, MAP, Ezioku Bundu. I go upload them. Don't worry, I will upload that so that he go help me analyze them. The same way he analyzed my own yesterday. I'll tell him, my brother, help me analyze this video. And I want to know the reason why he apologized to DOS. What did he see? I will end his career. I will end his career. To be honest, end both to Chiamaka, Mada Chiamaka, and the rest of them. Kanraponu here, Manashia Nanchiria, open challenge and open debate anywhere, anyhow, actually, just one. Kamoni and one-on-one at any platform and any moderator or like Kenya Potagumi as a moderator, I will disgrace him there. Dalwano.